Hi there, this is John from RevSoft, and in this video we're going to show you how to create a calendar and publish it to 3 other servers while maintaining it from a single point. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to email us at product_info@revsoft.com. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a calendar, internal one. We're going to define it on IBM iServer RevSoft Q&A v6. It'll be published to a server rule called Global 3, which will then broadcast it to a Windows server, RevSoft Oracle 2012, AIX server Titania, IBM server, RevSoft Demo v7. That's what we're going to do. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start with the server rules. We're on RevSoft Q&A v6. We've got a server rule here called Global 3. It comprises to send to these servers. Okay, that looks good. Let's test it and see which servers it would send to. These are the servers it would send to. These are the appropriate modules that have been defined within RevSoft. And okay, it's going to go to the Windows guy, Himalaya, which is 2012 R2, RevSoft Demo v7, and Titania. That's what we want. So now let's create the calendar. Alright, here's the 4 different servers in question. We've got one called internal. So what we're going to do is we're going to add one. We're just going to call it internal 1. Well, nearly. Internal 1. And we're going to publish it to the server list called Global 3. And I can attach a change management ID because we have change management within here. I'm not going to use any change management ID here at the moment. Alright, now that should be broadcast out to the other ones. There it is, internal 1, internal 1, and internal 1. Good place to start. Now we're going to add the calendar data. Okay, now that we've added internal 1 to RevSoft Q&A v6, and it's already published it to the other ones, we need to update the calendar data. But hang on first. Why is there no image beside internal 1? What's up with that? Well, simple answer is RevSoft supports 3 types of calendars. Gregorian, January 1, December 31, 13 by 4, and 454 permutations. As we haven't defined any calendar data or constraints yet, it doesn't know which type of calendar it is. Alright, so let's go back here, which is basically our home server, and let's add some calendar data. Okay, we've got internal 1. Let's work with that. Let's add 2023. And then let's add the calendar data. Now, for anyone new to RevSoft, the calendar data is where you define the days. You are in total control of the day, whether you call it workday, daily, holiday, weekend, half day, whatever you want. Then you can tell it run every workday in this calendar, first workday, 9th workday, last workday, second from last workday, every workday but not a holiday, every day of the week but not a holiday, whatever you'd like to do. You can do anything like that. This tells us this is already published to Global 3. So by me clicking update that, it's going to update it on the other servers. So let's check that and see. So let's get out of the calendar IDs and let's go to the calendar data. Let's check the other iSeries first, which was Dion. Let's go to the calendar data there, and we can see there internal 1. I can see there 2023, and I can see all the information that I put in here. Let's leave that there for just a second. Let's go to Titania, the AIX server, internal 1, and all the data there too. And Himalaya was the other one. And we've got internal 1 there, 2023 data. Now, just using the 2 iSeries at the moment, I can then look and say, well, okay, well, I'm feeling brave at the moment. Let's do a little bit of February too. So let's go along there, ding, 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 update. And I can go back here, I can do refresh, it's already done. So this way I've got central control by publishing it all from here. What you will see on the different servers though is the arrow pointing out means it is being published from there outwards. What you'll see with the arrow back here, if I click on that, it tells me it's been published from RevSoft Q&A v6. Exactly the same if I went to the calendar data here for Titania and I looked at internal one, it would say it's been published from RevSoft Q&A v6 and it's got the February days added as well. In a similar fashion, if I go to Himalaya here, it's got the arrow back saying it's been published from Q&A v6 and it's got the February data as well. So in this way, you can publish calendars, variables, jobs, a lot of scheduling objects. And if you publish a job and then change it, just like the calendar, it's automatically rolled out and updated to the other one, and it's automatically logged in the audit. If I go to the audit for Dion, the V7 server, and I look at options by a date, it tells me here the calendar data internal one was updated. There is a before and after image of the data, the after there, and it tells me who did it, when, and how it got here by publishing via RevView. That's it for creating a calendar and publishing it to other servers. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email us at product_info@revsoft.com. Check out more videos about the distributed model and don't forget to check out the RevSoft Learning Centre. Thank you for your time.